Carnival is the greatest show on earth. It is a reflection of our history, our resilience, our creativity, and it is a product of ourselves, our identity that we offer to the world and to consumers. As Assistant Secretary of the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities, and Transportation, working alongside the Tobago Festival Commission, the Windward Carnival Committee, I look forward to working with each and every one of you, our stakeholders, the Carnival practitioners, and enthusiasts, as we continue to live up to the name, the greatest show on earth, offering the best of our tourism product.
Sing for Carnival.
Tobago go sing for Carnival.
People like sun in the bacchanal.
Tobago go sing for Carnival.
You make me smile. What body, sister, I? Where you seek her?
Where you see?
Slowly where you seek her?
Where you see?
People fetting. Worries forgetting. Tobago have the last. Trinidad have the first pass. Tobago mash up for Carnival.
Tobago mash up for Carnival.
People flying in for bacchanal.
Tobago mash up for Carnival.
Tobago mash up for Carnival.
I welcome and encourage all in the creative sector, the innovators, the artisans, service providers, to put our best foot forward in representing ourselves and Tobago.
What they looking